In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Java JDK 24 to your Windows computer. So to install the latest version of JDK, then open up an internet browser and type in JDK 24 download and press enter. Now click on this top website here, which is oracle.com, and this is the official provider of Java. We're then going to scroll down, and as you can see here, it will say JDK 24, and this is the most up-to-date version of the Java development kit. We're then going to scroll down and select your operating system. So I'm on a Windows computer, so I'm going to click Windows, and then select the x64 installer. That should go and appear in your downloads folder over here. Once it's finished downloading, we can simply right-click on the file and click on open. Now go and run through the steps to install this onto your system. So I'm going to click next, click on next, and give that a couple of seconds while it installs. Once it's finished installing, click close. Now to make sure this is installed correctly, we can open up the start menu, search for CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. Now go and type in the word Java space dash and then the word version and press enter. And if it says here Java 24, then you know that we've installed the Java JDK 24. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.